Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today's chef is excited to share with you one of his favorite recipes, oven-baked chimichangas. Very simple, very delicious, mixed for the family all the time, and he says he thinks you're going to really enjoy it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. In a large bowl, start off with some semi-warmed up cream cheese. And now Chef has cooked up ground beef a lot on his video, so he's going to kind of skip that step. So just cook up ground beef with some taco seasoning and, follow the directions, of course. Go ahead and place that nice hot ground taco seasoned beef there on the cream cheese. Now cream cheese has a high heat tolerance, so you want it nice and hot in order to really melt that and mix this together. Once those have been mixed together, we're going to add our cheese. Chef is actually using a Mexican blend, and all the ingredients will be listed down below. Now, Chef did say oven baked. He is using his panini grill, but you can cook these in the oven once they're all prepared. And you want to set that to about 350 degrees, your oven, if you're using that. Next up, go ahead and place some of that nice mixed up ingredients into some tortillas there. About a spoonful and a half. You don't want to overcrowd. And Chef's wife's going to show us how to roll these up. You kind of start in the middle and then work your way. You got to get those sides in. Chef's wife is definitely a better roller than Chef is. You don't want to see his outcomes. And kind of she's going to show us again. So go ahead and just, again, continue on. Make all the rest of the mixture until it's all gone. And again, you don't want to overfill these. That's something that people might think more is better, but you won't be able to roll these up if they're overstuffed. So here they are. Kind of put them together in a cute little pyramid if you want, or you don't have to do that. So Chef's going to go ahead and place a couple of these on his panini grill, but again, you'll put these on a cooking sheet, 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes if you don't have a panini grill. And the Chef's going to have some nice grill marks, but if you use the oven, it will have some nice brown tops. They'll be nice and crisp as well. So go ahead and take them off and get ready to plate these up. Now Chef's going to start off with his toppings. He's going to do some shredded lettuce. He's going to put a little bit of salsa on there. And a little dab of sour cream. And here you have it. Chef paired this with some Spanish rice, but he did want to say you can do other ingredients like beans, or you could put rice in there, whatever you feel. Mix it up, have fun with it. Definitely kind of that dish you can kind of play around with. Definitely subscribe and share this video if you really liked it. We do hope you make this. It came out delicious. We think you're going to really enjoy it. And check out some of our other videos if you want to learn some other meals. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.